Pulila les salauds! Pulila les salauds! Les salauds, les salauds! Où est les salauds, où est les salauds? Voilà! Yes! Trebam! I need! Thank ya! Legeball!
Willkommen, brother! Hello! Sehr gut, sehr gut! Will ich Vacation singen, fragen? Vacation singen, fragen? Oui, oui. Kann ich das fragen lassen?
English!
English! Hello, my friend! Wanna take a journey on this beautiful place? We got nice things here. You wanna check out?
Please!
Okay!
Are you the Brindaro? Which
Oh, yes, this, yes, me is the, worker.
Yeah, cool.
To guess,
Grei!
fragen Sie wegen dich.
Grei.
Willkommen,
Schaki.
super. So, we are here in the Perdolandia. We got a very nice couple of things, like buildings, and we have very nice people, okay? So, a nice building, I got to say, this is Wunderspaßing-Gegend. Yes? Your question, yes.
Where are we?
Yes, we are in Perdolandia. This is a very good place.
Where is this?
Well, this is in the capital of, check on your phone, I don't know. Check on your phone. Yes. Any other questions?
Do we start six hours?
With pleasure. Let's go, friends. So, here we got the National Gallery, the very cool, good-looking building where people live in. Yes, we got about 150, about like that, people in this National Gallery with very good things around it, like cars and trash and stuff like that. Let's go. So, my dear friends, as I already said about a couple of times, we also got very nice people in this neighborhood. We got very... Oh.
I forgot, guys.
Yeah, come on, stop, wait. No, fuck this shit. Oh, wait, man, wait, just wait for a second. Fucking, So,
Naprej? We go
oh, this is my suitcase, man. What the fuck are you doing? Hey, look. Come on, stop it, man. Hey,
Mine!
stop it.
Mine!
Get the fuck. Stop it, man.
Do we
So,
go
as I-
pray?
Yes, could you just wait for a second, man? I got a fucking bad day at work, man. Don't you fuck with me now.
This is good,
Fucking stop it, man. So, as I said, we got kinda nice people. But the buildings, they are even more good. We got beautiful buildings, we got beautiful cars, we got everything beautiful, you know. So, just like, I don't know, look around, check off or something. I got work to do. So, as I said before, this is a very beautiful neighborhood, you know. Okay. Oh my. Well, fragen Sie offen. Okay. Well, my friend,
Go naprej. Go naprej.
Yes, good.
Naprej,
Bye.
gremo.
Yes, we go now. Yes, yes.
Naprej.
Yeah, let's.
Yeah, let's just go. Yeah. Okay. My friend, could you please just